Hi yogis, and welcome to my Blissful Yoga Flow for beginners. My name is Laura and I'll be happy to guide you step by step through this short 10-minute yoga practice. We'll target every part of the body and we'll go in a nice, slow and a gentle pace. Remember, always focus on your breath and focus on your body, respecting your range of motion. So let's get started in a cross-legged position or any other position that's comfortable for you. Place your palms to touch in front of your heart and set your intention. Namaste. Bring your hands down to the ground, and throughout this whole practice, go ahead, you can just mirror me. Keep the right fingertips on the floor. Inhale, raise the left arm up. Exhale, dive, side body bend to the right side. Open the chest, ground through your sitting bones. And maybe on the exhales, walk your right fingertips a little bit further away from you. You can lean on your right forearm or elbow. As long as you're really grounding through the sitting bones, especially the left one. And try not to collapse through your left shoulder. Keep your chest open. Continue with deep breaths. Inhale, coming back to center, placing the left fingertips on the floor. Exhale. Inhale, raise the right arm up. And as you exhale, side body bend to the left side. Once again, ground through your sitting bones. Keep your core nice and firm. Open your chest. And on the exhales, feel free to walk your left fingertips a little bit away from you. Go deeper into the stretch, but always listen to your body, respecting your range of motion. Keep sending your breath deep into your body, especially the right side body. These side body stretches are great if you're a side sleeper. That might get tight on your rib cage. So these are great ways to stretch yourself out. Inhale, come back to center, and exhale, release. Both hands are down. Take a deep breath in, and at the same time raise your arms up towards the sky. Fill your belly, rib cage and chest with air. And as you exhale, arms go down. Exhale all the way. Again, inhale, reach the arms up. On the exhale, hold for a second. We're going to go for a twist. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and as you exhale, twist your upper body to the right side. Left hand comes down to your right knee, and keep the right hand right behind your right hip. Sit up tall. The hip bones are still facing forward. Keep breathing. We're rinsing out those toxins here with this twist. On the inhale, bring the arms up, turn your body back to center. Exhale, hold. Inhale, lengthen the spine, and exhale, twist your chest to the left side. Right hand comes down to your left knee, and keep the left hand close to your left seat on the floor. On your next inhale, get ready to raise the arms up. Come back to center. Exhale, arms down. Keep your left knee bent, extend the right leg out to the side, flex your right foot, and spin your right inner thigh down. Sit up tall, and then place your right hand on the inside by the inside of your right leg. Inhale, reach the left arm to the back, and as you exhale, dive towards your right side, towards your right leg. Lean on your right hand, or maybe on your right forearm or elbow. Keep grounding through your sitting bones and keep your chest open. Keep your core nice and firm and keep breathing. Inhale, slowly come out of the stretch. Exhale, place your left hand right behind your left seat on the floor. As we inhale, circle your right arm from the back all the way forward towards the back and lift up your hips towards the sky. Here we have a baby wild thing, a nice little baby back bend. Keep breathing. Keep stretching out and then slowly coming back on an inhale. Exhale, release. Turn your torso towards your right foot, keeping the right foot flexed. Sit up tall. And then as you inhale, raise the arms up. Exhale, lengthen the spine, folding from the hips forward, but keep lengthening the spine and think more of pressing your tummy towards your upper legs. Bring your hands to the floor, walk yourself a little bit further on each exhale, and then drop your head. Take a big breath in and release, melt your body on the exhale. Stretching out your hamstring. Keep flexing the right foot. On your next inhale, slowly coming out of the pose by walking your hands back, bringing your torso back up. Good job. Turn your torso back to center, facing forward. And now bend your right knee, placing the foot soles together. This is butterfly pose. Opening up the hips, sit up tall. You can hold on to your feet. A few more deep breaths, opening up the hips. And then let's get ready for the other side. Extend your left leg out to the side as far as you can go. Flex the left foot. Sit up tall. And then place your left hand by the inside of your left leg. Reach the right arm towards the back. Inhale. Then reach your right arm up and over. Side body bend towards your left leg. Keep grounding through your sitting bones, especially the right one. Keep your core nice and strong. Open the chest, open your heart, keep breathing. On your next inhale, slowly and gently coming out of the pose, exhale, release. Firmly place your right hand right beside your right hip on the floor. Inhale, reach your left arm towards the back and then circle it in front of you at the same time. Raise your hips up towards the sky. Reach your left arm all the way to the back. Here we have a slight arch in the back. Baby wild thing. Keep breathing. And then as you exhale, slowly and gently coming out, sit back down. Sitting up tall. Turn your upper body, turn your torso towards your left foot. Keep flexing that left foot. And as we inhale, we're going to raise our arms up towards the sky. Exhale, we're going to hold it here for a second. Inhale, lengthen. As you exhale, keep that length in the spine. Start folding from the hips forward. Placing the hands down on the floor and then walk yourself gently a little bit further, only as far as you can go, and then drop your head down. Keep bringing your tummy towards your upper legs. You can leave your hands on the floor or hold on to your shin, ankle, or foot. Last deep breath. On your next inhale, slowly walk yourself back up. Sitting up tall. And then back to butterfly pose again. So place the foot soles together. Open up the hips. So you can, option 1, you can hold on to your feet. Option 2, if you want to deepen the pose, you can place the hands in front of you, in front of your shins, and then walk yourself very gently further down. Maybe leaning on your forearms or elbows, maybe not. Whichever one is available for you, go for that one. Keep focusing on the breath. Slowly walk yourself back up, sit up tall. Bring your hands to the outside of your knees, pushing your knees towards each other, and then give yourself a nice big hug, pressing your upper body onto your upper legs. Release. Come to a cross-legged position, spin the inner thighs down. And let's get ready for a seated cat-cow pose. Place the fingertips on the floor in front of your lower legs. Inhale, arch the spine, look forward. And exhale, round the spine, chin to your chest. Inhale, open across the chest, look forward. Exhale, rounding the spine, chin to your chest, hollow out your belly. Again, inhale. And exhale, keep going. And then come back to neutral spine, sit up tall. Place the palms on your knees and notice your body with an open mind for a second. Then we're going to close class. We're going to inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, interlace your hands, palms facing up, and stretch yourself out. Inhale, and release your hands on an exhale down. Inhale, raise the arms up. Bring all that love, light, and positive energy into your being, into your mind, body, and spirit. Place the palms to touch in front of your face. Bring it down in front of your heart in prayer position. Remember your intention. And take a moment to feel gratitude for showing up today on your yoga mat and doing the best you can, staying focused on your breath and the movements. It was a pleasure. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.